talk about the death. The PNP, the Chief PNP and DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla are already saying that it points to suicide. What do you think of that? Or dahil po you together with together with other lawmakers filed this resolution, do you have any questions about that?
Maraming illogical na sagot yung driver. So, iniwanan niya 2 hours na nagpunta sila ng umaga, bumalik pa sila ng hapon. Kung magpapakamatay ka, bakit doon pa? Yun ang medyo hindi maintindihan. So tumuloy siya sa hotel. Ang balita ko, lagi namang nasa Baguio si Yusek Cabral at may tinitirahan siyang mansion. So maraming dapat pa silang imbestigahan at hindi dapat kaagad na mag-conclude na suicide yan. Pero ako, hindi naman 1980s na ngayon, Pinky. Marami ng technology na pwede nating malaman. Yung nangyari, yung insidente, sabi nila, between 3 to 5 p.m., in a sunny and bright day sa Baguio, identified yung exact coordinates ng location. Tingnan mo lang yan sa Google Earth. Sa maraming, meron pang iba pang paraan na makikita yung actual incident. Yung actual image, makikita yan kung gagamitin lang yung Google Earth. So siguro, bago mag-conclude si Secretary John Vic Remulla, baka pwede muna silang kumonsulta sa Google Earth o iba pang technological firm na pwedeng humanap ng exact incident na yun. Meron namang timeline, meron exact coordinates. Sabi ko nga, baka maunahan namin sila. Nakakaya naman sila.